Want to make money while you sleep?
Sell digital products. It's one of the easiest ways to make passive income.
And once you've made a digital product, you can sell it again and again. Just sales while you snooze.
In this video, we'll share digital product ideas, show you how to use AI to build your online store, teach you how to market your products, and call out a few common mistakes to avoid.
What are we waiting for? Let's go! First things first, what are digital products?
Digital products are basically anything you can send as a non-physical product.
And here are some digital product ideas, starting with, my favorite. Ebooks, online courses, which we used to do,
True.
design templates, and even stock photos. When you're thinking about what digital product is right for you to sell online, start with the skills that you already have. Like, are there any resources connected to those skills that you could sell?
For example, a fitness coach can sell home workouts, or a dietitian could sell a downloadable meal plan.
Yeah, I could see you doing that one day.
Okay.
You have all the best advice when it comes to fitness, what to eat, what not to eat. But look, you don't always need a special skill to get started with digital products. There's still plenty that you could sell, like bespoke coloring book pages for children or adults, or simple recipe cards, or digital stickers.
Wait, bespoke?
Yeah, I have a word of the day calendar, whatever, moving on. Basically, if you can solve a problem, you've got a product.
And once you've got a product, it's time to set up an online store.
Yeah, so what are you waiting for? And there are so many tools that can help you do this, like GoDaddy Arrow. Let's say I have a new business idea, a pizza shop in my local area. And next, Arrow helps me brainstorm the perfect business name. And in seconds, it suggests options like Emma Loves Pizza and checks which domains are actually available. So I can go and claim it. I can do it in just a few clicks. Now, for the fun part.
Pizza.
That happens later. Okay. Building my website. And Arrow works with me. It creates a professional looking site. It even sets up secure payments, because after all, you gotta get paid, otherwise.
Gotta get paid.
Now, I've vetted my idea, I found my business name, I love it, and I launched EmmaLovesPizza.com. Yay! With a beautiful, ready to go website. And with Arrow, starting your business is truly as easy as eating pizza.
Now, let's add some digital products to sell. In your dashboard, go to Commerce, then choose Products. Click Add. Now you can choose between a digital or physical product. Add the name and the price of the product. Let's add a photo too, so your customers have an idea of what they're buying.
Like that delicious pizza.
In the description, use Arrow to write a product description for you. I might make a few edits, but this is looking really good.
I think it's looking great.
Now, click the Downloadable Content tab and add the file.
That looks easy.
This way, once your item is purchased, your customer will receive a link to download this file. Click Save, and you're done.
All right.
Add this product to your online store and start making money.
Let's do it. Go on then, launch your business. Go break the internet.
Hold up, but wait, hold up. You remember when we first started this video?
Oh, I made a mistake.
Exactly, we're gonna go over the common mistakes that you should avoid.
Yeah, speaking of mistakes, number one, trying to sell everything to everyone. Get specific. Who exactly will your product benefit? This will help you reach the right people with your marketing.
Number two, pricing it wrong, all wrong.
Going too cheap just makes people think that's cheap, or what's wrong with it?
Yes, and on the flip side of that, overpricing makes people think, oh hell no, not for me, drop it, get out, let me leave. Now for tips on pricing your products right, check out how to strategically raise your prices on the journey.
Number three, not protecting your content.
This is a big one. Use watermarks and set download limits, or your hard work could end up floating around for free.
Number four, not building an audience before launch.
Yep, posting it's live to 12 followers and hoping for miraculous sales. Not gonna cut it, Brenda, not gonna cut it.
Number five, skipping product testing. I know it's tempting. Oh, what are people gonna say? But you wanna do that, it's gonna benefit you in the long run.
Exactly. And ask friends or family to test your products before you launch. They'll spot the glitches or confusing bits that you honestly might miss. I know I would. And the great thing about family, they're gonna set you straight. I mean, right? I mean, shouldn't they?
Well, that could get a little tricky. Maybe.
So maybe send them an anonymous feedback form.
Yes. Number six, ignoring your customers. ask for reviews, go out there and ask for feedback. It helps you improve. And it feels good. Like sharing those glowing reviews publicly can also even encourage more people to spend money with you.
Now, okay, you've checked for mistakes, found those, check. You've launched your website, don't. But why aren't people flocking to download your products?
Because you need to market your business. And here's a simple breakdown of a solid marketing plan.
Start with social media. Pick 1 or 2 platforms and share content that actually showcases your products. Sneak peeks, quick tips, or happy customer reviews.
And if you've got the budget, run a few paid ads to reach more people and fast.
Yes, and another way to reach people fast is email. Email's a great way to engage. Could you send a monthly newsletter?
Ooh.
Offer a freebie to encourage sign up?
Yes, please. I love a freebie. And don't forget SEO, search engine optimization. Go in there, use the right keywords on your website and in blog posts to help improve those search rankings.
For a deeper dive into growing your business with digital marketing, subscribe and check out the next episode of The Journey.
See you there.